Hello everyone, thank you for checking out today's video. Today I will be sharing with you how to use the zones of regulation with any students, but typically this is used with ESE students. And the zones of regulation, they are a system in order to help students manage and regulate and understand their emotions. So with the zones of regulation, you have 4 zones: the green zone, the blue zone, the red zone, and the yellow zone. And with the different zones, a teacher, or if you're a parent and you want to implement this with your child, you would show them, starting with the green zone, you could show them different pictures representing the emotions of that zone. For example, the green zone would be when a student or a child is happy, they're ready to learn, they feel safe. And then the blue zone is when a child might be anxious, might be a little bit frustrated, nervous, scared, and they're not ready to learn, and they may show signs of this by tapping their foot, or they might have a stomach ache, something like that. And then you have the yellow zone. When a student or child is in the yellow zone, they're going to be very upset and not ready to learn, not ready to listen to directions. They might be very silly, might be upset about something in the yellow zone. They might be very worried about something to the point where they're yelling, or they're very upset. And then when we get to the red zone is when a student is really upset. If a student is in the red zone, they would be in the crisis. They might be yelling, throwing things, hitting other students, and that student needs to have someone help them use calming strategies, coping strategies in order to calm down. And the red zone, someone would be angry, very upset, just to the point where they can't function. And when implementing the zones of regulation, we talk about a toolbox. The toolbox with the zones of regulation basically means different tools that the students can use in order to calm down and bring them to the green zone, whether it be sensory toys like I use in my classroom, or visual timers, or taking a break in the chill zone, listening to music, going for a walk outside, or getting a drink of water, different calming strategies, practicing mindfulness or yoga, different strategies that we have to help students or children to learn and to remember to use when they are in a zone that is not the green zone. So I hope that today's video helped, and good luck implementing the zones of regulation.